So guys, let me just give you a quick overview about how our fund management or account management system works. Those of you that have known me for a while, you know I switched over to institutional trading for almost like 3 years now, and I've been doing very much well. But I received a lot of inquiries about it. Let me just make this video to let you guys know how exactly it works. In the financial market, you can't take away the big role portfolio managers, hedge fund managers like us, and investment bankers are playing in the market. It's different from a retail broker and a retail trader. We also have institutional trading companies like big level of brokerage, prime of primes. But now, coming to account management, look at how it works. As an account manager, I'm not allowed to onboard you directly by myself. So you have to pass through a broker or an exchange, those exchange we are trading with or those broker you are trading with. So you pass through them, you go to them, finish all their KYC and deposit your fund. We are not custodians, so we cannot act as a custodian to your fund, because we receive a lot of messages concerning that. So you guys just have to stop it. So now, when you onboard there, it should not be the broker or the exchange that will directly connect those accounts to our own technology for executions. That's portfolio management or hedge fund, and that's how we structure our own. Now, it's also a serve as a sign of transparency. That's also how it is done on a local market. If you go to the local market, local regulated market, you see that there are custodians. So unless if it's a fund manager that has the license to also act as a custodian, which is rare, some of them will always make sure that there's room for transparency so that clients will know exactly what is happening. So when those accounts comes to us, we now make executions. Do you understand? So on that note, you could also have access to maybe monitor our performances and everything. And on conflict of interest, we are not even supposed to know you. You're not supposed to know us, because you are not our client and we are not your consultant. So we work from me to broker, from you to the broker, then from broker to me. So your communication has to go through go between you and your broker. My communication has to go through me, probably the same broker or exchange. But there's some exceptional we give, like we have some VIP client that came through us, so they know that we are the one trading the account for them. So what we used to do, if you come to us, we have to disclose to you our risk measure, and you have to accept it. Of course, we can also disclose to you our expectations. But you know, in this business, it's illegal or it's unethical and it's not allowed to give a precise return. I know that some of you want to hear that one, but it's not really allowed. So there's no possibility of giving you that kind of promise. But we have a lot of fantastic performance. Like, check this banner now. That is our analysis on gold. What we projected, we have delivered that one. Check gold now. Gold is now trading around $3,600 per ounce. Then also check this one. You see, it's also our own analysis or expectation on oil. We've been delivering that one. A lot of accounts under our control is hitting up to 20% in a month. So on our risk measure, we also implement the risk measure. But that is all we can do. We cannot necessarily give you a promise or a guarantee return. Now, like I said, account don't need to come to us. Yeah, but if you're a VIP, you have a good amount of money, fine. And we trade on exchange-based product or exchange-based company. The brokers we are using, the execution we are making are executed directly on CME, Chicago Mercantile Exchange, and the New York Stock Exchange. Did you hear that? Yeah, some of our execution, like especially our execution on commodities like oil, is passed through CME directly. You hardly see a trader in our region that are trading through an exchange like that. So you hardly see them. But I'm not saying the ones doing OTC is not good trading, but I'm trying to tell you the level of where our order flows goes and where you come from. So if you have $1 million, $2 million, $3 million, any amount, you can connect and we'll make the execution. Do you understand? So this is another festive period. We started like open up, letting you guys know, because we receive a lot of individual inquiries, but that is exactly how it works. And for those of you coming with $100, please stop. $100, $200, whatever, please stop. You shouldn't be that lazy to not able to trade your own $100 or $200 account. Yeah, there are a lot of retail brokers. You put it there and trade. So if you say you're too busy, you can't trade. That means you have to be a millionaire. You have to be rich to be that kind of busy that you cannot trade $200 or $500 account. Those accounts is not suitable for what we are talking about, or third-party management. You should just manage those on by yourself. You're talking about account that is big, that that can be that can withstand the market pressure, that can be able to generate good profit, not account that can't even generate any profit because of high leverage. Then we also have a system that allows hedging on our risk. So if you come into that one, it can be difficult for us to have any liquidation. Of course, we hardly have liquidation because we are very experienced in what we are doing and we have our standard. Only on spot or alone, gold has done more than 50% return this year. That's how we manage fund. And there's a lot of you are missing the opportunity because you don't know that we can offer you such opportunity, and you don't know that we can actually help you make money. So it's important we let you guys know. If you want to be part of us, you can chat us up or send us a DM or fill any form you see within this video. We can be able to assist you get started. And for those of us who are individual traders or retailers who are actually trading for themselves, you can join us for free analysis. We give free analysis every week. Some people say it's 99% accurate, but let me just use that word. I would say 70 to 80% accuracy. This month we are targeting 2,000 pips, and we have already achieved 1,000 something pips this month. The month have not even gone up to, but that's how it is. So we are very precise, or I'm a very precise trader. So we know what we are doing. We don't speculate. And we work with a lot of experienced research institutions and research analysts that give us information. Before we go into any investment, we will research on that product and research about the potential profit and potential return and potential profit and the potential risk, and know whether it is suitable for a particular portfolio or not. So we already know what we are doing. You're supposed to be buying cars with us every week or every month, or be building new houses with us every week or every month, depending on how much we are controlling with you or you are controlling with us. Do you understand? So I wish you guys all the best this week. If you're interested, hit me up. We can be able to put you through on how it works, and we hope to have a very good business experience together. Thank you so much. It's time to go now.